Hello everybody. If in extra day classes we are studied about what is hardware and what is software, and software types we have studied it in yesterday class. Now we are going to study about booting. What is booting? Booting means the process of loading operating system into the computer memory is called as a booting. When we start computer, when we switch on the computer, it takes some time to load the to give us to work in a working condition. That process is called as a booting because it does necessary things to load it into the memory, and after loading it will allows us to work on the computer. That process is called as a operating system. Operating system, we know that computer does not understands our language, English, Kannada, Hindi. It doesn't understand. It understands only machine language, that is 0 and 1. So to communicate with each other, because we are knowing English, that computer is knowing machine language, to make communicate with each other, we need a middle person who knows English and machine language. That is called as a operating system. The operating system loading into the computer memory is called as a booting. After booting, we can start working on a computer. The process of loading operating system into the memory is called as a booting. What is the booting process? Loading the operating system into the memory is called as a booting. That is fine. Then what is going? What are the steps in the booting process? When you switch on the computer on the mains, then first when you switch on the CPU power button on the CPU, then first program runs is power on self test. That is called as a post. When we switch on the computer itself checks all parts connected to it internally or externally are working properly or not. If they are not working, it gives us a message or beep sound. By that, hardware engineer identifies the problem and rectifies. After rectifying, it will move to next step. In a post, what it is going to do, it checks all parts which are necessary. If they are working fine, then it will move to next bootstrap program. If it is not working, it will give us a message or it gives a sound. By that, hardware engineer identifies and rectifies. After that, it is going to move. Next coming is bootstrap program. It helps to load operating system. Operating system load it will help. Then loads the system files, important files. Operating system contains a lot of files, but it loads only minimum files. Suppose, take an example. When we are going to market, we are keeping in mind that what we have to purchase. When we are going to banking, we are keeping in the mind that we have to deposit the money or withdraw the money. Like that, it will loads some of the important files in the computer memory. That is io.sys, ms.sys, command.com, config.sys, autoexe.bat. If in these files, if some files has been deleted, then you have to reload the operating system. Here io.sys. IO means this is the left side part, left side of the dot, and dot right side part is this one, sys. IO is called as a file name. Sys is called as the extension part. through which we can identify that file type, whether it is made it in MS Word or MS Excel or MS PowerPoint or Notepad, whether it is a song file, whether it is a text file, whether it is a document file, whether it is a video file. By the extension we are going to identify. Got it? That this is called as a left side part called as a IO, or that is file name. Some extensions are given below. .txt means it is, you have to understand it as a, the file has been made it in Notepad file. How to identify the extension of the file? How we can identify if this is called as a file? Click on the file and right click, mouse right click, go to the properties, then you will get here type of a file. This is txt file. Here click on right button, click on properties. Here we are getting that is PDF file. Right button, properties. This is DOCX, document file. Right button, properties. This is JPG. This is a photo file. Like that you have to identify the type of a file. Okay. .txt means Notepad text file. .bmp means MS Paint file. .doc means MS Word XP or 2003 file. .docx means MS Word 2007 file. .xls means MS Excel XP or 2003 file. .xlx means MS Excel 2007 file. .ppt means MS PowerPoint 2003 or XP file. .pptx means MS Word 2007 file. .pdf means Acrobat Reader file. Well, if you doesn't have a Acrobat Reader in your computer, you can't read PDF files. So to read it, you have to need this Microsoft Reader file, Acrobat Reader file. Sorry. .zip, compressed file in WinZip software. .rar means compressed file in WinRAR software. If you download, if someone has been sent to you a mail or some software, if you download it from the internet, if it is in the format of .zip, then you must have to install in your computer, that is WinZip software. If it is RAR, you have to install WinRAR software. .mp3, .mp4 are song files and video files. .html means internet page. .jpg, .taf are photo files. .avi, .mpeg means video files. .mdb means MS Access database management system file. RDBMS means relational database management system. .pm5 means it is a DTP software, that is PageMaker 5 file. .p65 means PageMaker 6.5 files. .pmd means PageMaker 7 file. .cdr means CorelDRAW file. .psd means photo file. .drw means AutoCAD file. .nrg means that is Nero image. These are the some of the file types. By that we can identify in which software it has been made. Okay. Thank you one and all for watching. Next classes we are going to study about hardware parts. This is a theory part. Everybody will be getting bored, but we have to listen it, we have to watch it, because in our examination, in every examination, the theory, the examination will be in the form of multiple choice questions. Because for that to attend and get markers, you must have to read the or listen the theory part. After finishing theory part, you will start practical session. Okay. Thank you one and all. If anybody is interested to take one-to-one classes, we are conducting. to become a computer master skills. From basic we are going to teach. If anybody is interested, please contact us on 9886099693. And we are also conducting digital marketing courses, programming language C language, and mastering of MS Office, and desktop publishing, that is PageMaker, CorelDRAW, Photoshop we are also conducting, and Kannada typing, and also we are also conducting personality development classes. If anybody is interested for one-to-one classes, please contact us. Thank you one and all.